One last question, and this is something that I speak from personal experience. When people see you on television, they think this man is aggressive, he is arrogant, they have all kinds of impression about you. But when I have met you over so many years at different conferences, etc., I remember one time coming to you and saying, "Sir, but I thought I was going to be a moderator, not a panelist, and how am I going to manage this?" And with the calm composure that you educated me, and over the years you have guided me in different events, etc., is a personality that nobody sees out there. How do you manage? Because in real, when I have met you so many times, you're the most calm person. You're somebody who's very, very accommodative. You're very humble. But those things don't come out on the screen, and hence I think the general public out there, especially the young Odias from Odisha, think differently of you. So how do you manage these two personalities? Which one is the OG personality?
When my interview with Rahul Gandhi ended, then Priyanka, who knew me from college, I presume, she set up the interview. She almost organized the whole damn thing. The moment the interview ended, she was sitting there and she says to me, "Arnab, why are you never yourself in an interview?" That is the simple answer to your question. I still didn't understand what Priyanka wanted me to do. The reality is, she'd set me up for this thing. I hope she feels fondly about her brother. Question is, what do you expect me to do when I'm on air? You see, I am not in a hostile situation right now. You're a very pleasant personality, Litisha. But if you turn hostile, I will be hostile back. That's all I can say. But, Litisha, I am in a transfix at that moment. I have decided to be in a no bullshit zone when I am on air. And that is all that I've got. You see, all that I work for, all the effort I make, all the organization I've built, all the 1,600 people who work for Republic, all this media enterprise, it will boil to nothing if I am not authentic when I am on air. So that is my, what do you say? It's my me time. You get my point?
Yeah.
That is my me time, and that's only the camera and me.
You said that's like your meditation.
My meditation zone. It's my shower zone. I'm not answerable to anyone then. So it is, you have to be bindas at that point. Because then I feel that my effort in the non-editorial side was worth it. I say this to my journalists. Don't let go of an opportunity. I asked one political editor recently, Aishwarya Kapoor. I said, "Aishwarya, you are in journalism. How well have we covered the story of the 19-year-old girl who got raped in Uttarakhand?" And Aishwarya said, "We did it more than others." I said, "What is the definition of more than others? Why did the rest of the national media not cover the story of a 19-year-old girl who was raped? Her parents are fighting for justice. Army officers are fighting for her. It's a few hundred kilometers from here, but this Lala land of Delhi journalism. One of the three, by the way, people who was caught for the murder is the son of a BJP person. Fingers were pointed. But somewhere this consensus of silence angers me from within. तो मैं पूछता हूं कि आप पत्रकारिता करते क्यों हो भाई? अपने आप को पत्रकार क्यों कहते हो? मैं सबको पूछ रहा हूं, दिल्ली की मीडिया को पूछ रहा हूं कि आपने 19 साल की लड़की को मारा गया और जो होटल में जिसको हाँ उनकी रेप और मर्डर हुई, उस होटल को बुलडोज कर दिया ताकि एविडेंस ना रहे, और सारे लोग इधर दिल्ली की मीडिया फिंगर ऑन द लिप्स करके करना नहीं है ज्यादा भाई, छोटा मोटा रिपोर्टिंग कर दो. अभी उसमें अगर आपको गुस्सा ना आए, आई एम सेइंग दिस हिंदी बिकॉज आई वांटेड टू गो, इफ इट डजंट मेक यू एंग्री, देन व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कसिंग कि ट्रंप ने क्या किया, वेनेजुएला में क्या हुआ. यू सी, देयर इज अ हिपोक्रेसी. हम अपने कन्वीनियंस को देख के काम करते हैं. हम कौन अपसेट हो नहीं हो इसको देखते हैं, परखते हैं. मैं तो कहता हूं अपने जर्नलिस्ट को, मैंने इतना काम किया है, इतनी परिश्रम की है लाइफ में ताकि आपको अपनी एडिटोरियल इंडिपेंडेंस मिले, एंड आई एम वर्किंग फॉर दैट 24/7. अब वो जब मैं सोचता हूं, जब मैं सोचता हूं, वो 1 घंटा मिलता है, कभी आधा घंटा शो के पहले, मैं बस यही सोचता हूं कि व्हाट इज द थिंग दैट मैटर्स मोस्ट टू द पीपल. और कभी कभी ना, अभी आजकल हैबिट हो गया है सबको, मॉर्निंग डे एंड नाइट पीपल टॉक अबाउट वेनेजुएला एंड ईरान एंड अमेरिका. दे शुड लुक एट व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन गोंडा and in India. So when I get angry, I speak my mind, and that is my me time for those 2 hours every night. Thank you.
So to conclude, it is safe to say that if the entire media does not contribute together, it's the rate at which the country's growth needs to be accelerated is not going to be accelerated at that.
Growth is not in GDP numbers. Growth is when I said yesterday कि गोंडा में orthopedic ward government hospital में it is full of rats. 150 sector नोएडा में 27-year-old falls into a ditch. अब हमें consensus of silence कर सकते हैं कि मत बोलिए हमें क्या. As they say, how does it matter to me? It should matter to you. So for me, it is progress to the people. I think the government must think about it. सरकार को सोचनी पड़ेगी कि सिर्फ आंकड़ों में डेवलपमेंट नहीं होती. पीपल आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस. इंडिगो वाज अ मैनिफेस्टेशन एंड नाउ पीपल आर रिलेटिंग वन इंसिडेंट टू द अदर एंड सेइंग इज दिस राइट. इसको, इन चीजों को आप दबा नहीं सकते. सो अच्छा, लास्टली, ऑल द मीडिया विल नेवर बी विथ यू, लितिशा. You have, if you are in media, there is only one philosophy, ekla chalo re. Whether somebody is with you or not doesn't make a difference. Don't seek anyone's approval. Nobody will ever support you. You stand up for what is right. If people support you, it's good. If they don't support you, it's also good.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.